to my channel, please ignore my dirty mirror. I just sprayed some water to try to get it clear as best as I could. But I am currently sitting in my car and I am at Walgreens. And so you guys, I'm about to go ahead and attempt to do a Walgreens in-store video. There is absolutely only one car here, and I'm pretty sure that's the employee car. So I have the entire store to myself. So I am going to attempt to go in here and do an in-store video. So please bear with me, you guys, as this is my first time doing an in-store video at Walgreens. So let's see how it turns out. Okay guys, so the first thing that we are going to be grabbing is going to be these Garnier whole blend shampoo and conditioner. As you can see, these are priced at 2 for $7. There is a $4 off of 2 digital coupon that I have clipped to my account. With that $4 off coupon, it'll bring the total down to 2 for $3. There's also a $1 off of 1 coupon in a Walgreens coupon savings booklet, and it's on page 17. And this coupon will come off of however many products you purchase. And so since I'm purchasing $2 will come off. So $3 minus $2 will bring my total down to just $1 each for both of those, or 50 cents each. So that's an amazing deal. But not only that, I have a get 2,000 points when you purchase 2 Garnier whole blend products. So for me, I will pay $1 out of pocket and then I will get $2 back. So that'll make these completely free for me, plus a $1 money maker. So let's go ahead and grab 2 of these. The next thing that we are going to be grabbing is going to be an Oral-B toothbrush and Crest toothpaste. And this week they are priced at $3.99. When you buy 2, you will receive a $3 off register reward. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and grab this Oral-B toothbrush right here. As you can see, it's priced at $3.99, and so we're going to get that. And now I am going to grab some Crest toothpaste for $3.99. So I'm going to grab this one right here, $3.99. So the deal is, so they're priced at $3.99. So $3.99 times 2 equals $7.98, minus the $2 off for the toothpaste will bring my total to $5.98, minus the $2 off for the toothbrush will bring my total to $3.98. I should get back a $4 registry reward. I'm sorry, a $3 registry reward. And so my total will be 49 cents each. And I got this mixed up. I thought I was going to get a $4 registry reward, but I'm actually getting 3. So there'll be 49 cents each. The next item that I'm going to grab is going to be some Purex crystals. Hi.
How's it going?
Good. Yeah. So I'm going to be grabbing some Purex crystals. So the Purex crystals are priced at $1.99. And then also the Purex detergent is priced at $1.99. There is a, but I'm going to grab the crystals. There is a $1 off coupon that I have clipped to my account, which will make these just 99 cents, which is great. The next deal we're going to get is going to be the Palmolive dish soap, and this is the 10 ounce, and so these are priced at 99 cents this week. There is a 25-cent off coupon that I have clipped to my account, and that'll make these just 74 cents each, which is an awesome price. So this right here, you guys, is a 3-pack of bubbles, and these are priced at 49 cents this week. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this. Okay guys, and so I have one more item that I need to grab, and that is some Kellogg's cereal. So with the Kellogg's cereal this week, they are priced at $1.99. I do have a 50-cent off digital coupon that I plan to use on this, so that'll bring this cereal down to just $1.49. And this is the 13.5 ounce box. And then I'm just going to go ahead and choose the Frosted Flakes because my husband loves these. Okay guys, so as you can see, I grabbed 2 of the Garnier. I grabbed the Crest toothpaste, Crest toothbrush. I grabbed some Purex Palmolive, Bubbles, and Kellogg's. So that should bring my overall total to $20.44 minus $11.75 that I'm going to be using in coupons. So that brings my total down to just $8.69. So I'm about to go ahead and do my other transactions, and I will see you guys when I get home to explain it. Okay, you guys, so I am back, and I am about to show you guys my receipt to the first transaction that I did. After this transaction, I did do 3 more transactions, and I am going to go over those transactions with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my receipt. Obviously, I'm not going to explain this again to you guys because I explained it when I was in store. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys my receipt. Okay, so right here you can see that the both of the Garnier whole blends rung up at $3.50, and as you can see, the store IVC coupon did come off of both of them. The Bubbles rung up at 49 cents. Palmolive dish soap, 99. Kellogg's cereal, $1.99. Purex crystals, $1.99. Crest toothpaste and Oral-B toothbrush both did ring up at $3.99. And then right here where it says $5 off of a $5 purchase, this is the register reward that I got from doing last week's deal. And I actually got about 10 of those, and so I do have quite a few to use before they expire. I think they expire on March 7th, so I did go ahead and use 4 tonight, and I'm going to explain it to you guys. But other than that, all of my digital coupons came off except the get 2,000 points when you purchase 2 of the whole blend products. That did not come off, but I did contact customer service, and they did credit my account with the 2,000 points. So I just want to show you guys that the Garnier $4 off coupon came off, the Crest $2 off, Oral-B $2 off, Purex $1 off, Kellogg's 50, and the Palmolive 25 cents. And you guys ignore my nail right here. And so they brought my overall subtotal to $3.69, not including taxes. I did get back this $3 register reward for doing the Crest deal. I got back the 2,000 points for buying the whole blends. And then I also got back this get 5,000 points when you spend 20 or more in store. So that is how this transaction went. And I just wanted to show you guys that. So let me go ahead and just go with the second transaction. So with the second transaction right here, I wanted to take advantage of purchasing some more Purex crystals. And so the only coupon that I used was the coupon that I had clipped with this right here. So I don't have any paper coupons, paper Purex coupons at all, but I just still wanted to stock up on this, and plus I was trying to use up my register reward. So I just went ahead and purchased 3 of these at $1.99. All 3 of them did ring up at $1.99, so total for all 3, $5.97. I used a $5 off register reward that I had, and so it brought my subtotal to just 97 cents for the 3 of these, which is really amazing because I will be using these in my bundles. So you guys, I'm just kind of like giving you ideas of what you can get if you have register rewards that you need to burn. Okay, so that's the second transaction, which is super simple. Let's go over to this third transaction right here, which is the cotton nail tissue. So this tissue is on sale this week for $4.99. I also got these bubbles with it also. So the bubbles rung up at 49 cents. The cotton nail rung up at $4.99. I did use a $5 off register reward, and it brought my subtotal to just 48 cents. But Ebates also has a rebate for this cotton nail, and you can get $1 back when you purchase one. The limit for this is 5. And then also, you guys, submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, because I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards and I got back a total of 1,300 points, which is $1.30 for this. So I got back $1 from Ebates and $1.30 from Fetch Rewards. So I got back a total of $2.30, which is amazing, you guys. So scan your receipt to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have a link in the description box below, and I will also have my code on the screen for you guys. Go ahead and scan your receipt so that you can start racking up some points, you guys. I try to tell you guys all the time to make sure you scan your receipt. That is an easy way for you to build your points to where you can redeem for whatever gift card you choose. That way you don't have to come out of pocket as much using your own money. You can just build your points up through Fetch Rewards, and you can use gift cards to pay for whatever you need. So that's a deal. Now the last, and this was the third transaction, so the last transaction is going to be right here, which is for the Scott Comfort Plus tissue 12 rolls, and then the 6-pack of Scott paper towels. So as always, these are priced at $5 each. There is a $125 off coupon in a coupon savings book. So make sure you grab that as soon as you enter the store. You can either use the coupon in the book, or you can clip it to your account, whichever you choose. The coupon will come off of however many items that you have in your transaction. So I have 2 in my transaction. So in my case, $2.50 came off. So let me show you guys my receipt. Okay, so as you can see, they both rung up at $5. The store IVC coupon did come off of both, $1.25 each. And then I also used a $1 off coupon for the Scott Comfort Plus tissue. And then there is also a $1 off coupon for the Scott paper towels that you can use. Okay, so the $5 off register reward, I used that. The $1 off for the Comfort Plus tissue and the $1 off for the Scott paper towels. It brought my overall subtotal to just 50 cents for both of these, which is super amazing, you guys. So if you have the coupons, clip the coupons to your account, because that is an extremely easy deal to do, especially if you're trying to go ahead and use your register rewards before they expire. So you guys, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys these deals. I am pleased with all of these deals. I think I still have about maybe, I don't know, I still have a few registry rewards that I still need to do. So I know that I will for sure be making another trip to Walgreens so that I can use those up. And I will make sure that I be sure to record a video and let you guys know. Hopefully I can find something different. That way I don't have to get the same stuff. Also, you guys, if you are not using Ibotta, I will have a link in the description box below, and I will also have my code on the screen for you guys. Okay, when you sign up using my code, you will receive $20 when you redeem your first Ibotta rebate offer, which is super easy, you guys. The only thing you have to do is click whatever store that you're going to be shopping at, click a rebate that you plan to do, go into the store, get that rebate, pay for the rebate, make sure you keep your receipt, because that's the only way you're going to get credited for the item that you purchased. Once you submit that receipt to Ibotta, you will then get credited for the item that you purchased, and you will also get the $20. So if you all enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section below. And since this was my first time recording an in-store video at Walgreens, let me know how I did. I did have one of those little mics on my shirt, but for some reason, as I was rewatching the video, it kind of seemed like I was talking a little bit low. Let me know in the comment section if you guys got that also, and if you guys have any tips on the best place for me to put it so that I can get the best sound quality. I would really appreciate that. Also, you guys, if you are not subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you guys would consider subscribing. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, I would really love if you guys would give me a follow over there. My Instagram name is Saving with Shaniqua. And with that being said, I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.